Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today, as you can see on the screen, to show you some of the fantastic finishes that people did for the DP for Vets event. So a huge thank you to everyone who participated. This is my second time hosting a diamond painting event, and I have to say, both of them have gone way better than I expected. There were a lot of people who participated, a lot of people who were very appreciative of doing a veterans event. I know it's hard to find time for these events sometimes just because of the time of year. November is, the end of November is holiday season, leading up into the very busy Christmas season for a lot of people. And so it's not always that easy to find time to do these events, which is one of the reasons I tried to keep the painting smaller. I was only asking for a 30 by 30 or larger because I figured most of us could get at least one painting done in that time. I managed to complete a couple of projects, which you'll be seeing on the screen. I think I did a total of 4, and yeah, I just had a really good time seeing everybody's finished projects. There are some really cool projects. Somebody, I think it was Kelly, told me a really cool story about making it for her brother and how excited he was to get it. And yeah, I just think veterans, along with pets, 2 causes that are near and dear to my heart. So thank you to everyone who participated. If you made a donation to a veterans group during the event, I also thank you very much for that. I myself made a donation to OSD, Operation Supply Drop, and yeah, hopefully we just, took the opportunity to make things a little bit better for those who are serving our country, whether that's the USA or elsewhere. So you can see as the screens are running through here, all of the finishes that everyone had. And like I said, I'm super excited about it. As soon as all of these images get through running, I will be doing the drawing, which is the exciting part and which everyone is waiting for, right? So that we can find out who wins the fabulous prize package. So let me talk a little bit about the prize package. I actually have already packed it up because I needed to get it weighed so I could have some idea what kind of postage I was going to be paying. So I have a kit that I will be including in that, and then I actually snuck in a second little kit just as an extra little thank you. There is all kinds of red, white, and blue stuff. There's a red pen, there's a blue tray, there's a red pretty placer, there's a bunch of different stickers. They're in a couple of decals. There's a blue sticky mat that I threw in there. I made some USA flag themed cover minders. I threw in some of those. I threw in some washi tape, some drills, just little bits and bobs, and packed all in as much as I could so that I could send it all to you. So I hope everyone had a really good time. I enjoyed seeing everybody's postings on Instagram and all the other socials. So again, I'm just very appreciative of everyone who took time out of their busy schedules to participate in my event. So now that we're pretty much through all of the images, let's get on to the drawing, shall we? Okay guys, so here we are for the drawing. Here's 3 of the things that I managed to finish: my poppies, my journal, my bookmark. My eagle is already in another portfolio and I just didn't take the time to go downstairs and get it. But again, I really enjoyed seeing everyone's finishes, and I'm super excited to have this drawing and see who wins. So here we are. I've got my little wheel set up for the final prize giveaway, and I'm just going to spin. Good luck, everybody. And the winner is Lindsay Admire. So Lindsay, congratulations. You are the winner of the DP4Vets final prize package. So if you will contact me at the email, which you can find below in the description box, at diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com, contact me and give me your details so that I can get this sent to you. Congratulations again, Lindsay, and thank you so much to everyone who made this event as wonderful as it was. I look forward to doing it again next year. Before you leave, guys, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.